What's up, guys? So I have a new quick update for you guys here. So yesterday we had the FOMC meeting. We did see a nice little push to the upside here with a nice 4-hour bullish engulfing candle on the range lows for Bitcoin, as well as a pretty decent stochastic RSI bull cross below 30, kind of bottoming out here. It's not really telling us much here. We are, it's still trading below resistance. We're trading inside a range. It seems that Bitcoin can't seem to get above the range EQ and the descending trend line here. I would like to see a reclaim of this general area right here, which is the area between, let's say, 49 and 50. So a reclaim of 49, a reclaim of the area between 49 and 50 would be a low time frame bullish sign. On the higher time frames, I'm still looking for, well, first off, I'm looking for a bullish daily cross on the Burbicated Pro indicator, right? And but that would also pretty much line up with the reclaim of the weekly 20 EMA, which is also confluent with the range highs right here. So first, a reclaim of the 50k region would be low time frame strength, but I would then like to see a reclaim of the 52.54k region for Bitcoin to really turn bullish. I'm not in crypto right now. I'm not in Bitcoin. I'm waiting to enter the market, and a reclaim of that area would be a significant bullish move, for Bitcoin, and that is what I'm looking at to enter the market. At current time, I'm just observing and focused on looking for opportunities in the altcoin market. I'm going to have a couple of videos of that today as well. But right now, focusing on the Forex market and perhaps some altcoins. But I'm just observing, waiting, and letting the market kind of do its thing, and then waiting for a clear sign of direction. All right, guys, safe trading and take care.